Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In the last video, we have seen how we can configure the options using the options list attribute. So now we are going to see how we can configure the option column using custom option method attribute. So for that, let's navigate the VS Code and yeah, let's comment the last option attribute for now. And when we check on the Horilla list view, uh, option method. Yeah, here's the option method. So similarly, like the action method, option method is still a function that is available inside the shift request model or the list view model inside list view model. So let's provide like custom shift option. Actually, this function is currently not available. So let's monkey patch this function to Horilla shift request model. So for that, I'm going to create a function called def custom shift options self for sure. Then we can return render template. So you must ensure this is the uh, function that is rendering the component template component. So now we can create a path to our custom approve or reject option template. Basically, you can decide in like when you're developing code, it's up to you. Maybe you can provide the approve or reject inside the action column or inside the option column. That's up to you. So now let's create a option column using the custom option shift method. Provide the path for the template. I'm going to create a new template called yeah, custom shift request options .html. Now let's create. So here I'm not mentioned any app label here. So this template is looking for the main template directory. So inside the custom app, here I'm directly creating. So it will fetch the template HTML. Okay, inside here I can provide my option. Just test for now. Like loader for now. Just provide it is as loader. Also, we can pass context from here. Like yeah, instance will be the self. Now let's refresh. Context equal to okay. Now let's refresh the output. Oh yeah, let's wait for the server to load. Yeah, refresh. Okay, the option is not coming. Column is not showing. When we check custom shift action, sorry, it's not action. Yeah, it's custom shift options, and we didn't added that function to the shift request. So similarly, like the custom shift action, let's add this too. Okay, now we are doing monkey patch. We are dynamically appending the function at the runtime. Okay, now when we refresh custom shift options, then also yeah, we have to provide custom shift options. Sorry, that action method. Yeah, that's here. It's not option, it's options. Server is restarted. When I refresh, still not coming. Skip and refresh the server. Clear positive context. Custom shift of shift options. Shift request. Map at the model. Okay. Refresh. Yeah, you can see it's now loaded. Okay, the configuration are correct. The server is not identify the changes. That's why that not short at that time. So that's why we load the custom template. Inside here, you can provide your action like buttons. Control K in HTML. Then approve will be available here. Then the provide action like one click request has been approved. Also mention the instance self. Sorry, it's double query process. Then it will be instance. Refresh. Here you can see the approve button. Yeah. Now the action is happening. It will be different for each request. Here you can see the data is changing. It's according to the context. Okay, that's how we configure the custom option method. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can add it inside the comment. And thank you for watching.